Alright guys, hey, I've got a very interesting video here to show you guys about a Cadillac CTS. This is a 2003. And we have an actual intermittent start issue, or should I say turnover issue. And that is, sometimes you start the car and it'll just start right up, and other times it'll just pulse. And what I mean by pulse is it'll just, the belt will move just like a couple inches at a time, and if you hold the key down long enough, the car will actually start. Now, we've replaced the starter, and we've actually replaced the starting relay right here. We've even pulled it out and jumpered it, and every time we jumper it, the starter works perfectly. So it's not the starter, and it's not the positive battery cable going to the starter. Otherwise, there wouldn't be enough current going through the starter, and it wouldn't turn over properly. So I want to show you the problem and see if anybody else has had this problem. And if I get the information and we get it corrected, I'm going to put it up online so somebody else who has this problem can also solve it. One of the other things that we've done is we have changed the ECM here. And I think we can find the link to where we got that. That's a brand new ECM. It was $225, that's right. Okay, all right, now let's go ahead and try to start this and see what happens. All right, now this time it started. Shut it off and try it again. There you go, that's what we're getting. And if you hold it long enough, it will actually start. It's really weird. All right. Try it again. There it goes. Now this time it started right up. So this is an issue we're having with our 2003 Cadillac CTS. If any of you guys have had this problem with your CTS and have the issue solved, please let us know. Now I'm going to show you how to jumper it. Jumper the starter. You don't even have to have the key in the car to do this. This is the hot right here. And this is the lead that goes down to the starter solenoid. So if you jumper this one, let me actually zoom in here to show you. If you jumper the hot, and this is the starting relay, just dump it right here. You can see it's turning over just fine. And every time we do it, it works great. Now the starter that was in it was actually verified bad. So whatever caused that starter to go bad, or whenever it went bad, it may have taken out something else. Now like I said, we have changed this relay. We have 3 of them here. We've changed all 3 into that position, and none of them caused that problem. This power for this relay actually comes from, I believe it's this one here. Let me go back and look real quick. All right. So here's the starter relay where we were, and it comes from the ignition relay. Let me go down and focus in on here. Oh, it's this one. Yes, it is. This power for this relay comes from this one when the key is energized. But we noticed that there's power on this one and on this other lead right here all the time. So one of these other leads right here may actually be the issue. Now if you look at the diagram here, you'll see that 85 and 86 are actually the coil that activate 87 and 30 to start. The interesting thing is that 30 and 87 don't actually contact until this is energized. So this is showing the relay in the energized position, not the de-energized position. But if you look on the bottom of the relay itself, you'll notice that 85 and 86 are on the bottom left corner and the top right corner. But if you look on here, it looks like they're straight across. It looks like they would be these two, but they're actually not. They're actually these two. So I don't like the way that GM drew this, or whoever, Omron, I'm sorry. I don't like how Omron drew their relay. It's horrible. It's from electronics, or any other fashion. That is the wrong way to draw that relay. So anyways, just wanted to let you know right here that that's how you jumper it. And if you put the key in the run position, go ahead and put it up in the run position. All right, sometimes, some cars, this one may or may not work. You can start it this way if you need to. Oh, almost got it. The only problem with that is sometimes it'll trip your anti-theft, and you'll have to turn the key on and off a couple times to get it to re-erase that code. And then you'll get a code up in your dash. So, all right, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna post this video. And if any of you guys know how to solve the pulsing turnover, let us know. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless you all, and keep on you out. Bye.